alright?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You going home?
Yeah, I got nothing else to do today.
Well, you had some more stuff to do.
Wow, there's always something to do, you know what I mean?
Yeah? Your stomach hurt? Huh? It's all good? It don't look all good.
Why is that?
I don't know. Why are you sitting down in the chair?
Oh, this is another chair I keep back here. This is how Ricky works.
Word.
This is how the kid gets down, man.
That's how you get down?
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? No, I expect a real treatment. I've been here long enough, and you asked me, you showed us the each.
Worth the $50?
Worth every last spread.
You'll be alright?
It's your folks can leave.
Any last words?
Le mot final.
That's it?
Je ne veux pas.
Alrighty. Over and out.